This is a 2012 MAZAK INTEGREX e-670H 4000. B-axis mill turn, 24-inch 3-jaw chuck, 10-inch hole, 42-inch swing, 172-inch centers. Milling spindle is 10,000 RPM, y-axis, 50 horsepower, cap toe taper, 80 tool positions. "20-inch SMW steady rest. Servo-driven programmable tailstock. Probing system. MAZAK Matrix 2 control. Chip conveyor. Milling spindle also has high pressure through spindle coolant, 1000 psi. High pressure cooling system. Also in this same facility there's a 2012 MAZAK INTEGREX i300S with the GL200 gantry load system. This i300 has front and back spindle, left and right, B-axis mill turn. Both machines are available immediately.